When we talk about the cloud, we often think about something weightless and invisible. But the reality is that the digital world has a very physical footprint. Data centers rank among the heaviest consumers of global power and natural resources. Your website, your apps, your databases, they're all running on physical servers in a data center somewhere, consuming electricity, generating heat, and leaving a carbon footprint. If you or your company cares about the environmental impact of your core operations, your current cloud setup might be working against you. Today, we're breaking down what eco-conscious businesses should look for when setting up their cloud infrastructure. The first consideration is data center location. Where your data is physically hosted makes a massive difference. A data center in Tokyo, powered by geothermal energy, has a completely different footprint than one in a region still dependent on coal power. But here's the trade-off. You also want your servers physically close to your users for performance. So you need to balance environmental impact with user experience. The solution? Look for providers with multiple data center locations in regions with clean energy grids. You can serve European customers from Nordic data centers running on renewables, and Asian customers from locations with strong renewable energy adoption. Next up, PUE, or Power Usage Effectiveness. This is a ratio that measures how efficiently a data center uses energy. A PUE of 2.0 means for every watt powering your server, another watt is wasted on cooling, lighting, and other overhead. A PUE of 1.2 means much less waste. Most modern data centers aim for 1.5 or lower, but the really efficient ones are hitting 1.1 or even close to 1.0. Next, what happens to decommissioned servers? Data centers are constantly upgrading hardware, and that leads to tons of discarded equipment. Find out about your provider's asset lifecycle management. What's their average hardware refresh cycle? How do they dispose of old equipment? Do they have e-waste recycling programs? Look for providers that maintain a sustainable balance between hardware reuse while strategically upgrading to newer models for better energy efficiency and performance. And our last tip is a smart strategy that most companies miss. Timing matters for sustainability. Renewable energy availability fluctuates. Solar power peaks during the day, wind power varies with weather and time. You can schedule heavier workloads when renewable energy is most abundant. If you've got batch processing jobs, data backups, or ML model training that don't need to happen right now, run these non-time critical workloads when the grid has excess renewable energy. So the key takeaways here are: data center location strategy. Look for regions with clean energy grids that are also close to your users. Energy efficiency, PUE. Data centers with PUE of 1.5 or lower means less energy is wasted on cooling. Hardware lifecycle management. Sustainability involves managing the physical footprint of servers. Workload timing. Reduce emissions by scheduling non-urgent tasks during a surplus of renewable energy. So there you have it, 4 concrete ways to reduce your environmental footprint without sacrificing performance. Your infrastructure choices matter more than you think. Kamatera's global infrastructure turns these eco-conscious strategies into reality with strategically located data centers and transparent practices around energy efficiency. Like and subscribe for more cloud tech advice. See you next time.